you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August Globein box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my August Globein box just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Globein, for sending me your box. Let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what we get. Now, with Globein, if you don't already know, they have their normal monthly theme that they do, but you can actually change that. You can get the normal theme, you can have them surprise you, or you can choose from a large variety of different themes that they have to offer at that time as well. So I really like the fact that you can choose the theme that you want. You can see, if you want to, you can see all of the items that are going to be inside. So then you can actually decide which theme box that you get. Again, you can pick it yourself, you can have them pick it, or you can just stick with the normal monthly theme that they come out with. I always change mine because I'm always picky. But when you first open up the box, I love the inside of the box is teal. If I can finish opening it. And then you do have the pamphlet right here. My box this month is called the Bloom box. So that is the theme of my box right there. So let's go ahead and see what we have. I always like to see the different things because it just amazes me all the different and unique handcrafted items that come out of these boxes. It's really, really cool. So the first thing is going to be this right here. This is a planter basket. And I think this is really cute because my patio, I kind of went with like a orangish, yellow, blue theme. So I don't know where I'm going to put this out there yet. But I will probably buy a plant to put inside here to put on my patio because that'll definitely match with my patio colors. But that is super cute. And you can see just like right there, that is in the plant. And I believe it's gonna tell me where this was made. So let me see where the basket, yes. The hand woven basket planter cover was handmade in Kenya. And you can see a better picture right there of it inside of the basket. So you have this basket, which is handmade in Kenya, which I love the colors, very bright and summery for sure. So we have that. And then there's this item and this item. So let me get this box out of my way. Okay, so down inside here is probably going to be the glass vase. Yes. So here's the glass vase. It has a little tag that says Globein, made in India, fair trade. This is a wire frame bud vase. So basically you just set this down on top of it and you stick the flower through it. Let me show you. Like that. Same thing as back here on the front cover again. So you just have the little glass jar to hold a little bit of water. So it's basically meant for like one single or two single stemmed flowers. No greenery, filler, foliage, or anything like that. Just like a single stemmed flower. And then you just put that there. Or you can get a silk flower and put around it and put a little bit of resin in. And it'll look like it's water. Whichever you would like to do. But this is really, really cute. And then the last item for this kit is right here. And this guy is a hand-blown self-watering glass globe, handmade in Mexico. Okay, so here is this, and it definitely matches the plant, the basket, almost perfectly. So this definitely is gonna go in my patio as well. It is orange and yellow. Basically what you do is you fill this up with water and then you stick it down in the plant and it self-waters it as it needs it. So I really, really like these, especially if it's something that you forget, or especially out here like in Florida in this hot humidity. It's so hard to always remember to constantly be on these plants. So this is definitely gonna help me out, especially with the plants in my patio. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in this Bloom box. Let me know down below, what did you think of the theme? What did you think of the items? Again, we have this really cool plant basket We have this self-watering glass hand-blown globe thing. And then we have the vase, which is definitely different. I've never seen one that's shaped like this. So I think it's very different, and I think it's really cute. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this theme? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. If you want to know a little bit more about Globein, I do have a code. You can use SheCrafty for 50% off your first month of any 3-month or more prepaid subscription. It is $40 for the first month if you do month to month. If you do 3 months, it brings it to $38 a box. 6 months brings it to $35 a box. And 12 months will bring it to $33 a box. Their mission is to deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers. We help our customers deliver amazing goods in distant lands from the comfort of their home. We give their business global reach as we connect them with customers to share their extraordinary creations and inspiring stories. So there you have it, you guys. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.